Your ride, right?
Yes, sir.
So, how did you hear about Pedal Commander?
King of the Hammers. Got one for Can-Am and flipped it.
So you said the next best thing is let's go get it for my Corvette?
Yeah.
Nice.
So for the Corvette, it should be pretty easy to do the install since it doesn't have any extra hidden areas. We can just reach right in without having to take the pedal out and just plug this guy right in.
Nice.
Turn that guy on and let's put it in city mode to start. So city, you can give a little blip and then kick it up to Sport Plus. So it just jumps right on you right away. Whichever mode you want to try it out in first, we're gonna go balls to the wall, all right? Sport Plus plus 4. Woo! So do you feel the difference?
Oh yeah.
If you had to describe the Pedal Commander in basically 3 words or less, 10 words or less, how would you describe it?
It's time to just go have fun, mess around with your car.
There we go.
How is it so far?
Badass. Gonna need tires, I think, in a couple days.
So what modes did you try right now?
Right now, I'm only in Sport Plus 4.
Oh, snap.
Max.
All right, we can get it from here. I'll get you taking the launch right now.
Boy, you sweaty, boy.
How you doing, Nate? Is that sweat on you?
Oh, yes, it is. This man is about to make me need new pants.
All right, so now you tried it on the C8. What do you think?
I'm gonna go try it on a Camaro right now, the ZR1.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, if other people own these kinds of cars, what would you recommend about the Pedal Commander?
Make sure there's no cops around.
You think they should get it for theirs, though?
Oh yeah.
Like, you think people would want this in their car?
Heck yeah. Especially for the price, you can't get more power than that for the price.
Nice. Hell yeah. Good looking out, man.